Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you speed up tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so let's start. First thing we wanna do is go into settings, scroll down until you get into device care. Over here you will have a button if you didn't clean up the space, so please click it. Now let's proceed to the performance profile, and here you can pick between the standard and the light. The light provides that battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed, so it's really good if you want to speed up your phone a little bit. Okay, now let's go into auto optimization and click on auto restart. Automatically it will be turned off, but you can pick between restart where needed or restart on schedule. Simply, if you click restart on schedule, here you can pick the days of the week in which the phone will be restarted and on what time. So let's pick, for example, each Sunday at 8 p.m. it will automatically restart. Okay, next thing is the software update. So please keep an eye on your software. If you don't have the latest version, simply install. Click on download and install. It will check for updates. As you can see, my software is up to date, so I don't need to install the latest version. But if you don't have the latest version, simply please install it. Okay, now we can go straight into the battery and the battery protection. Here you can pick between those three options. Please enable over here, and you can pick between the basic, adaptive and the maximum. If you want to speed up your phone, I suggest to use between the maximum or the adaptive mode. You can see in here what they does. Okay, so now we can go back again. And now straight into the apps. Here you can clear the data from the specific apps you want. For example, let's pick the interpreter. Scroll down a little bit into the storage. And now over here you have to simply click the button clear cache, and also clean the data and speed up your phone. And also, if you want, you can uninstall the whole app. Simply hold the app icon, and then here you have uninstall button. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment.